welcome to our room. Give you a quick little tour real quick of room 5304 at Sandals Grand Antigua. We'll start in the bathroom. The design of the bathroom is very colonial. I think it's from the old days, from when they were still run by the British. But here's the bathroom. Start in the closet. Closet has your standard stuff, our clothes. We got a safe. We got a luggage rack, which we're not using. Laundry bag. Some cute little robes that we'll probably take advantage of later. We got extra pillows, an extra blanket, hooks for towels and robes. And I like that it's very eco-friendly and the lights shut off when you close the doors. Standard water closet with the toilet. A very, very huge rain shower shower. It's pretty big. And then my favorite thing is the jetted tub. It's very, very deep. Should I demonstrate how deep it is? No, I don't have to. Okay. It also comes with a shower head as well. You don't see that very often for tubs. And you have all this space. I guess that because they know that most people coming to this resort are staying for at least 7 days. So they give you plenty of space underneath for storage. All right. Because of COVID, they give you a full giant bottle of hand sanitizer and a few sanitizer wipes. No masks, but everybody here is pretty much vaccinated and you have to be COVID free to get here anyway. We got soap, lotion, body cleanser, shampoo, conditioner, sewing kit, shower cap, the standard. Pretty good, and gotta love this mirror. It's my favorite. Moving on. Full-length mirror in the hall. Then we get to me and Terry's favorite area is the mini bar. Because it's all inclusive, it comes stocked with they say they're premium, but me and Terry are kind of because we've never heard of any of these except for Robert Mondavi. But it comes with a scotch, whiskey, a vodka, a gin, a rum, and a bottle of wine. And they refill these daily. Also comes with the mini bar, fully stocked with juices and mixers for said liquors, plus a bottle of bubbly and a bottle of white. And you got a kettle down there for hot water, because they also give you lots of different teas up here and coffee for the coffee pot. And then, of course, all the cups and glasses that you would need for wines and mixers. Ice for the ice bucket. Stir sticks for your cocktails. I think that's really cute. All right, moving on. Giant TV. Have you tried the TV yet, Terry? Haven't tried the TV yet, so we'll let you know if the TV is any good. Writing desk. This beautiful 4-poster king-size bed. If this doesn't say Caribbean, I don't know what does. So this is very big, very, very beautiful. We also have this sitting area over here. Guess for reading, for sitting and looking at the gorgeous view out of our balcony. So yes, sitting area. And then our pièce de résistance, our balcony, which I also like because it's not a sliding door. It's very much like a cruise ship where you have to actually like open the door, and you don't get that gust of wind that comes when you have a sliding door. And the door stays open And we have a pretty big balcony out here. It comes with 2 chairs standard and a table, so I guess you could have your drinks or your breakfast, which we're planning to do. And then you have this gorgeous view of the grounds and the ocean. So there you go, room 5304 at Sandals Grand Antigua.